I have historically created Excel spreadsheets to cover the same type of inspections. We've had a very manual process. There are a number of spreadsheets that don't necessarily talk to each other, so we've had to collate the information to give us any sort of visibility on what's happening out in the accommodation houses. I think the amount of time spent on having to manipulate that data in Excel is always a challenge for us as well.
The hard copy ones were really time consuming. Going through folders, but you're collating everything into an Excel spreadsheet, which is, so sometimes really clunky. To have it all comprehensively in the app is super helpful. And it's just time. It took me hours and hours to do the paper-based ones.
Using the perfect ward, we can check to see if there's any consistencies or if there's multiple errors. Using the previous paper documents, this was really hard to track. Once they were completed, they were archived.
The staff found that it was just really easy to use the app, and they can just do the perfect course sitting with the participant and spend time with them at the same time.
No hassle, like just easy, just grab the iPad, just do your things, then you don't have to write on anything, just tick tick. That's why I feel easy.
As basic as it sounds, I think because it's electronic and on a device, a lot more people sort of are embracing it. I think that's one good thing. It's modern technology, and when you see people sort of move away from a paper-based thing to something that's modern, it's invigorating.
I think the benefit from it is that our frontline staff are able to see how they're performing or how their inspections are stacking up against other homes, and I think that it increases accountability really. They are stepping up, they are seeing value, and I think that's only going to create positive outcomes for the people we're supporting. As an organisation with multiple different service streams and funding streams, it's going to allow us more flexibility to cover the things like documentation audits, making sure that we're meeting compliance with our documentation and record keeping, health and safety audits, the customisation ability and the user friendliness of the application is really beneficial for us in all aspects of our business.
It's about improvement, making it better for the residents, and it's all about them because it is their home.
We also are supporting some quite complex people that we need to make sure that their daily needs are getting met.
If we can reduce pen and paper, and have it on a system like this and on an app, it will save so much time.
I think that we have improved visibility. That's probably the biggest one. Because majority of my time is spent office-based and I don't always have an opportunity to go out to the homes. I think for the management team, having the ability to look at different types of activities from a standards perspective is certainly going to be beneficial. I think the frontline staff are understanding what their role is in maintaining NDIS standards, where they haven't necessarily previously really considered that. And the understanding of frontline staff will continue to improve as we start reporting from a standards perspective. An element of assurance really that things are being done as they should be, that any red flags are getting to where they need to get to, and historically we haven't had that assurance.
It's not a perfect world, but it is a perfect award system on a busy schedule on a daily basis for all support workers in our organisation. Be so very helpful and be more helpful for the residents that we support.